Hey everyone, welcome back to Ava's Workshop. Today I'm going to be showing you my 2020 Halloween show. Hi y'all, it's so great to be back. I haven't been posting in a while and there's a video up there about why. But most importantly, I'm back and I'm going to be showing you the Halloween show I built this year. So I do a Halloween show every year and this is my 4th year. And I'm going to do a video about kind of the different Halloween shows I've done throughout the past couple years, and I'll put that up at some point. But right now, I'm just going to show you just a multicam video of the show, and then in a couple weeks, I'm going to post a video about how the whole thing works, and you'll be able to check that out right there when it's available. So that will be in super like detailed and everything, but this is just showing you the show, and yeah. Now there is some music in this show, and if any of you guys out there want to use this music for other Halloween shows, I have an instrumental version, I have a version with vocals, and I have a version with some dialogue, and please comment, and I will post the links to those audio clips, and feel free to use them for your own animatronic stuff. Well, that's all for right now. I'm gonna show you the show, so, hit it.
Hey y'all, I'm Jerry. Welcome. Are you excited for the show? I can't hear you. Are you excited for the show? All right. Well, we're Jerry and the Hand Band. Hit it. Another head hangs lowly, child is slowly taken. A violence calls such silence, who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting. With their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are crying. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey, what's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, 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 oh, 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 oh. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Look in your eyes, you look like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special, 'cause you're just so special. Yeah, but I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the heck am I doing here? 'Cause I don't belong here. And I'm a creep. Yeah, I'm a weirdo. What the heck am I doing here? 'Cause I don't belong here. All you kids of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. This our town of Halloween. This is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene. Trick or treat till the neighbors die of fright. It's our town, everybody scream. In this town of Halloween. Thank y'all for coming out tonight. Here's some candy.
Alright, thank thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that show, and don't forget to stick around and watch the other video that's going to come out on how it all works, coming very soon. So yeah, happy Halloween, y'all. Keep building, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!